Hi there, I'm Siggy from siggynet.info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own personal WordPress blog on your own domain in under 5 minutes using this easy to follow, simple step-by-step process. Also, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save 20% from your website hosting fees, or if you want to try it out for just 1 month, you can get started with only a penny. I'll show you how. But first things first, I'm going to start a timer so we know how long this process really takes. Okay, let's dive right into building our blog now. So the first thing we do is we go to siggynet.info. We click on the HostGator logo on the right side of the website to secure our 20% discount. We get a cookie notification here and we just click accept and then close. Next, we click on the big blue button labeled View Web Hosting Plans to see the plans they have available. If you're only going to get one domain, you should get the Hatchling plan. But if you plan on getting more domains like me, choose the baby plan. Click on the Order Now button under the plan you want, or in our case, the Hatchling plan. Now I'm going to type in the domain that I want to get. I'm going for my5minuteblog.com. As you can see, HostGator checks for availability and suggests alternatives if the domain is taken. Now we choose our preferred billing cycle. The final price is based on how long the billing cycle is, so I personally prefer the 12 months billing cycle, but you can choose whatever you want. Now we enter our desired username and our desired security PIN. Make sure to write the PIN down, because you'll need it in order you lose access to your account. Next up is the billing information. I'm going to cover this up so my credit card stays safe. Okay, now that we've entered our billing information, we need to enable or disable the add-ons. I personally don't want to use any privacy on my domains, but if you want to, you can enable the domain privacy protection. This makes sure that your location information and email information is hidden from the public WHOIS records. Now, the site lock is something you may want to add to your account to get a daily scan for viruses, malware, and such. HostGator should only notify you when you have something fishy on your site and remove it for you. And finally, we go over our order details to verify our options and the total price. If you agree with everything, just check the agreement checkmark and press the Create Account button. Now, here's a little bonus for you. If you want to try this hosting out for just 1 month, and pay only 1 cent for it, go up the page and change the coupon code to 1 cent. Press validate and then change your billing cycle to 1 month. So now HostGator bills my credit card and presents me with the thank you page. HostGator will send me an email with the login information once it has processed everything and created the account on their servers. This should only take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes if their servers are very busy. Now I'll check my email and I'll find the email from HostGator and open it. Inside the email is the username and password that I will use to log on to my control panel. Click on the control panel link in the email to go to your control panel. Remember to save the email for future use. Now we enter our login information and press login to go to our control panel. The first time you open your account, HostGator will show you a couple of Get Started screens. I just press the Do Not Show This Again and click on No below the Get Started button. I do the same for the next screen. Now we need to find the Software/Services box. it should be the second last box in the list, and we press the quick install logo. Next, we find the WordPress link on the left side under the blog software box. Then we click the continue button to configure our WordPress website installation. I'll enter my email, blog name, username, and my first and last name. Then I click the install now button, and HostGator installs and configures my WordPress blog for me. HostGator will then show us the login information for the blog and also send an email to the email address we used with the login information. Copy the password and put it in a safe place. You should have gotten an email with this login information by now. Remember to keep that email in a safe place. Now click on the admin area link to go to the admin area. If there's a problem with loading the page, like here, don't worry. This is a DNS issue that will resolve itself usually very quickly. But it can take up to 2 days in the worst case scenario. Just refresh the site every now and then if you get this. The site will pop up soon. Now that my site pops up, I enter my username and password and press login. Don't worry, I've changed the password now, so it's no longer what you saw earlier in the video. Now we want to add a new post, so we put the mouse over posts and press add new in the submenu. Let's enter the post title, add some content and one picture of a happy watermelon for show. Next up, we press the publish button and publish our post. Let's check our timer to see how long this took. Damn, looks like we did this in 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Oh well, close enough, I think. Let's see how the site looks now by going to my5minuteblog.com. Ooh, nice. So there we go. Now you know how to set up your own blog on your very own domain. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and click the like button. If you want to be notified when I release new instructional videos like this one, then click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you the very best in setting up your own website. Until next time, take care.